YouTube. So you guys missed the part where the other side fell off. So I'm trying to see if I can give you that. It's the only reason why I'm showing you this side. Same bolt up. Oh, get some stuff up my way. Put it on this side. Have a little chisel. Have the sledge. Have my penetrating fluid. Hoping you can see all of this. Hoping you can hear me too. So sledge, penetrating fluid, the 10-pound hammer. Then you bang at it. Let's hope this comes off. And you can see. It's no joke. Hoping to get penetrating fluid in there, man. Let's keep it going. It's no joke. Let me tell you, this thing is. It's no joke, man. Yeah, man. It's coming, though. It's coming. It's definitely coming. Hands are getting tired, so I have to be more cautious, because when your hands are getting tired, it's easier to miss and bang your hand on the sledge. So it might give me more viewers, but I'm not trying to get more viewers. trying to get this off, that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, let me see if I can squeeze some behind here too. Maybe get some. So I'm trying to get it from this angle and from behind it. So I spray it in front and behind. Let's keep going. Stubborn, man. See? Oh man, put the light in the wrong place. Sorry. Hopefully you can still see. Oh, you're too. Now you shove this can. That's blocking. Alright. There's anything this should tell you? See when the guy Chris Fix does this? Oh. It looks so easy. This is no joke. If I bang from here, I'm going to damage his backing plate. But, yeah, see? I'm already damaging this backing plate, man. But, still want to... Get inside here, man. Where's one of the penetrating fluid? Let's go again. No joke. Yeah, man, something coming, man. Something coming, man. Getting there, man. I could just see a little bit of thing there into this thing. Just see you go down. This is no joke. I tell you. Try and get some lubricant from every side. This is a 10-pound hammer, so those 5 pounds are useless for any car that is in a snow belt. Kid you not, it's not budging. Woo. Let's take a look around here, see if I'm making any progress. Huh. Oh, there's definitely progress. YouTube, there's progress. There's definitely progress. There's definitely progress. Let me. Apologies if you can't see, man. I tell you though, I'm here to do work. Not necessarily to just make videos, so I have to move the stuff to based on what I can see, but there's a little spot in between here that just get my chisel in here. Do I have a thinner chisel? Huh. Do I have something thinner? There's definitely some progress in here. YouTube, there's a little bit of progress here, it looks like. Right here, there's a little bit of progress here. No joke. Alright. Gonna have to try and fast forward this for you, but just when you see that this thing is no joke, man. Progress, YouTube. It's definitely progress. There is definitely some progress right here. So. Wow, go easy, boss. Go easy, man, go easy. Be prepared to be at this for a little while. Woo! This thing feel like it shift, man. This thing feel like it shift. YouTube, this thing shift, man. You hear me told you this thing shift. This thing has shifted. It's coming off. It's just not coming off at the pace I want to take it off. If I could get this in here, could I pry? See the button too. Come. Backing plate by itself can't come off, man. Let's keep it moving. I wish I could show you YouTube. There's progress, man. Just now. Ah! Told you there's progress. Oh! How long did that take? I don't know. From the time I started banging, probably a good 20 minutes. Could be half an hour, I don't know. But it's out. So this time you got it. Hopefully the video is still running. Yes, it's still running. Is it? Yeah, it is. It is still running. Okay, so it says 18 minutes. So I'm going to end the video here. Just as the other side, I'm going to use my little sandpaper, clean this up. Then I'm going to use the... Yeah, I know you want to see me do everything, but as I said, I'm sorry. I'm here to fix cars. Then I'm going to put some anti-seize on it. The anti-seize is going to go here. It's going to go on the back of the... Oh, this backing plate flew. It's going to go on the back of the backing plate as well. And it's also go on the, a little bit on the back of the new hub. And also in here. Now remember, when you're using anti-seize, it's just a little bit. Make sure you spread it all the way out and it's flat. There's no like raised amount. It's not silicone. You know, you don't want anything that you can flash. Alright? Alright, YouTube. I need that. This ends the video off. Whew. I'm tired. I'm sorry. Changing the rear wheel hub for a Toyota Prius. I showed you the tool I use, the OTC. It's an American company, but I don't know if the tool itself is made in America. But the 10-pound hammer, good stuff, man. Thumbs up on that. You see, I still had to use a little bit of chisel and try and bang and get some space. But believe you me, the chisel by itself would not have gotten this off. I tried that before I invested in this and it didn't work. That's it. Oh, sorry. So the torquing for these bolts, right? I think earlier up in the video I said I would do it at a minimum of 80. So I googled. I didn't see the rear hub, but the front hub, front wheel hub, is torqued at 56 pounds. So I felt 56 was a little bit light. I torqued the other side to 65, and I'm going to torque this to 65 as well. Again, I didn't see the torque specs specifically for the rear. I found the front, it was 56. I personally did 65. Up to you. I just use my, my little feeling to feel what I think is good, and I ran with that. You can comment down below and tell me how upset you are with that. That's fine. I use my judgment. You are entitled to yours. That's it. Hope this video helped. Bye bye.